So the Child Rights Comparative Program that we've put together involves a two-way exchange of students and knowledge. So this year we have hosted 6 students from Salgaocar College of Law over the course of 10 days, and they've had various sessions. Some of them have just been taught by some of the UNSW teachers around New South Wales child rights, Indigenous child rights and international child rights. And they've also had visits with community legal centres and out to the courts.
This program is something which is really new for our college because this is the first time that my college has got an exchange program successfully. So it was really interesting because I really wanted to know how the functioning of the courts and how the functioning of the clinics goes on here. So that's something which I really learned, and I'm really happy that I'm going to take back so much back to my country.
Particularly our visit to Paramatai courts, where we saw a jury trial which I didn't expect. It was very, very fascinating, and my students were really, really happy.
When I entered, I saw these 12 persons sitting on the left with computers in front of them. And my first instinct was, oh, it's unusual to have 12 reporters in one court session. So it was only after the end of the session that I talked with Professor Gabrielle, and I came to know that these persons were not reporters but actually members of the jury.
There is a lot of difference and there is a lot of similarities. So maybe there are some ways which we can incorporate in our law in Goa.
It is really fascinating to learn about different clinics which are actually existing in this UNSW, and their approach towards actually helping people. It's really amazing.
So as a member of the Child Rights Clinic, when I had come over here, I was really interested to know about specifically the laws in relation to children in Australia and New South Wales, as well as the various benefits and measures which are child-friendly over here.
It's a cross-cultural experience, so much to learn, so much to see. Definitely, I would highly recommend every student I meet from now on to take up this and strive to be a part of such a program.
Now in January next year, we're going to have 10 UNSW Law students attend at Salgaocar College of Law, and they'll be hosted particularly by the Child Rights Clinic. And in this way, we'll get a real sense not just of what the law looks like in India on the books, but of what's actually happening in practice.
We learned so many things, and we are taking so many things back to India. And hopefully when the students from UNSW comes there, we learn more and they learn more from us. It's really a good exchange program.